Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be doing highlights on hair. As you can see, I'm going to be using some straight bundles from my hair collection. If you haven't checked out my hair collection, I'm going to leave the information down in the description box below. I also make wigs, so if you need me to make you a wig, I got you, sis. I got you. So we are going to be using 3 bundles in a closure. We're going to start off, of course, with freshly washed hair, and then as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and section the hair. Now for me, and if you're a beginner when it comes to bleaching hair, definitely want to make sure that you section the hair off, because it's going to make things so much smoother when you section the hair. And as you can see, I pulled a little bit out in the front around the top crown of your head so that it can give you more of the highlight effect in the front when you flip it and curl it. So I like the combination of highlights and lowlights. So to create that look, I use 2 different developers. So I'm going to use a 40 developer and a 20 developer, as well as this Wella bleach. I actually like this bleach a lot more than I like the BW2 when it comes to highlighting. Now if I'm bleaching knots, then BW2 will work, but the Wella is definitely more on the higher price than the BW2 powder. So of course I'm going to use 2 different bowls because I am going with the 2 different developers, and I use 2 different colors so that I'll know, okay, the 20 is in this one and then the 40 is in this one. And you just want to get it to a good consistency. To me, it doesn't have to really be that thick because it is just going on the strands of the hair. So for this technique, you're going to need you a rat tail comb, and I am just gonna go through and do the weaving method. So as you can see, I'm just taking the end of the comb and I'm just weaving in and out through the hair. I'm gonna take the top portion of the hair and separate it from the back portion that I've weaved out, and I'm just going to bleach that front portion of the hair, and the rest of the hair is not going to get bleached. And so throughout that, I'm just going to go in and start with my 20 volume developer in the back, because with the 20 volume developer, it's going to take it a little more time to process versus the 40. So I start in the back with the 40 volume developer, and then as I get to the middle, I go in with the 20. As you'll see within the technique and throughout the rest of the video, I do go in and make sure that I bleach the small section at the top of the head. I go ahead and bleach that so that can kind of be like a light section inside of the hair. So I know I'm more of a visual type of person, so I am just going to show you over and over again exactly what I am doing. And then I'm going to show you the products I use to wash this hair out. And then I'm going to show you exactly what the hair looks like when it's styled. As you can see, I'm not going too far up with the bleach. Like, I'm not starting right at the roots. I'm coming down a little more, and then I'm not actually having that blunt line of demarcation. I'm kind of streaking the hair at the top a little bit so that it'll give it a smooth transition between the natural hair color and then the actual bleach. So after this, I like to go in with neutralizing shampoo. To me, neutralizing shampoo pretty much just helps get all of the chemical out of the hair before I actually use purple shampoo and conditioner. I do use both. So I'll wash it with the shampoo first, and then I'll use the conditioner, and I'll let the hair sit inside of the conditioner for about 30 minutes. This is going to be the finished look, and like I stated in the beginning of this video, I do make wigs. So if you would like for me to make you a wig, this is actually one of my signature wigs that I have on my website. Her name is T. Marie, and T. Marie, like you see here, is going to come with your standard low lights and highlights and mixed in with that natural brown black color. It's also going to come fully plucked, and the knots are going to be bleached. It comes styled, so it's up to you what type of style you would like. You can have it straight, or if you would like to add hand curls, you can definitely do that as well. And you'll see right here in the clips what the wig looks like with hand curls. Now, typically I don't add baby hairs to my wigs, but if that's something you wanted, that's also an option that you can click on my website. So yeah, I'm just wanted to come on here and show you one of my favorite signature wigs that I have on my website. Y'all, I love it. And it's so funny because I've made this unit for other people and I don't own one myself. I probably should make me a T. Marie wig. Yeah, I should. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.